Red onions are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water, making them a great food for weight loss and hydration. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, promote healthy skin, and support heart health. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene. Sourdough bread is made through a fermentation process that can provide several health benefits. It contains beneficial bacteria and yeast that can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and support overall gut health. Eating vegetables can provide a wide range of health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support immune function. A raw vegan sandwich can be a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. However, it's important to make sure you're getting enough protein and other important nutrients. So be sure to include a variety of plant-based protein sources and other nutrient-dense ingredients in.